Money Watch, Investing, CBS News. CBSNews.com/CBS Evening News/CBS This Morning/48 Hours/60 Minutes/Sunday Morning/Face the Nation. Markets, Investing, Tech, Leadership, Small Business, Savings, Spending, Retirement. Video. Log in, join CBSNews.com, sign in with profile. Manage my newsletter subscriptions, update my email address, change my password, log out. Get investing. Twitter's IPO, skip the madness and wait 90 days. Tech IPOs may be exciting, but they can also be a good way to lose money. Practice some patience and research before you buy. Options. Investment accounts for kids. When it comes to investment accounts for children, here are some options for individuals who have not reached their majority. Strategy. The obsession with growth investing. Investors expecting high growth of earnings, dividends or GDP to improve their portfolios will likely be disappointed. Latest news. UPS more than doubles 3Q profit. A year ago, package delivery giant took a hit from pension restructuring costs. Fiscal first quarter net income rises. Company is in the midst of a turnaround plan that includes focusing on its most profitable core businesses and cutting costs. Amazon narrows loss on 24% sales gain. World's largest online retailer is spending heavily on filling orders, marketing and technological improvements. Carl Icahn, Apple should launch $150 stock buyback. Activist investor also disclosed that he now owns 4.7 million shares in the company. Ford increases full-year guidance after strong quarter. Automakers saw improving sales worldwide and revenue beat analysts' expectations. Southwest profit up on higher fares, cheaper fuel. Airline is spending 5.1% less at the pump than it did a year ago. Buffett says he passed on buying Washington Post. Berkshire CEO, who has invested in small papers, says he didn't want to settle his company for children with a Metro newspaper. U.S. Airways net income dips on higher taxes. Nation's fifth biggest airline pushed revenue higher by filling a larger percentage of seats. The obsession with growth investing. Investors expecting high growth of earnings, dividends or GDP to improve their portfolios will likely be disappointed. Accelerating deliveries drive Boeing's profits. Net income rose 12%. Company raised its profit guidance for the full year. Viewed more investing headlines blues. Most popular. 01. DNA testing identifies mother of mystery gypsy girl Maria 15,463 views. 02. Arrival of Obamacare forcing insurers to drop customers with low coverage 12,700